Hello there. It's such a pleasure to connect with you today. Have you ever felt that the things you desire are just out of reach? That you've been waiting for what seems like an eternity for your dreams to manifest? You are not alone. Many of us experience this feeling, often wondering why our intentions haven't yet materialized in our lives. But what if I told you that there is a powerful truth behind this waiting? What if the very act of waiting is a crucial part of the process of manifestation? Today, let's explore the idea that divine timing is everything, and that your manifestation is indeed near. When we think about our desires, it's easy to become impatient. The world we live in often conditions us to expect instant results. We are bombarded with messages that tell us we should have everything we want, right when we want it. However, the truth is that the universe has its own timing, and understanding this can transform the way we approach our dreams. Divine timing means that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Your desires are aligning with the energies of the universe, preparing for the right moment to enter your reality. In the journey of manifestation, it's essential to understand that you are not just passively waiting for your desires to come to you. You are actively participating in a divine dance with the universe. Every thought you think, every feeling you nurture, and every action you take contributes to the tapestry of your life. Your thoughts have power, and they shape your reality. However, this power is most effective when used in harmony with the natural rhythms of life. Sometimes, we need to cultivate patience and trust that what we seek is on its way. Imagine planting a seed. You don't dig it up every day to check if it's growing. Instead, you water it, nurture it, and trust that in time, it will sprout. Manifestation works in much the same way. You plant your intention into the fertile soil of your subconscious mind, and as you nurture it with your beliefs and feelings, it begins to grow. But just as a seed requires the right conditions to thrive, so too does your desire need the right environment and timing. The universe often aligns circumstances in ways that we may not immediately understand. Sometimes, we think we are ready for our desires to manifest, but the universe knows better. It might take time for you to learn the lessons needed to appreciate what you are asking for fully. Each experience you encounter is preparing you for the blessings that lie ahead. Your patience is not a sign of weakness but a testament to your strength and faith in the process. Another important aspect of divine timing is the idea of synchronicity. Have you ever noticed that sometimes things just fall into place at the right moment? These moments of synchronicity are not mere coincidences, they are the universe's way of guiding you toward your desires. When you remain open and aware, you will start to notice signs that affirm your path. These signs can come in various forms: a conversation, an unexpected opportunity, or even a feeling that suddenly washes over you. They are gentle nudges from the universe, reminding you that you are on the right track. One key to understanding divine timing is to cultivate a sense of gratitude. When you express gratitude for what you already have, you align yourself with the energy of abundance. This shift in perspective opens you up to receiving even more. Gratitude is a powerful tool in the manifestation process. It shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, allowing you to experience the joy and abundance already present in your life. As you cultivate this energy, you create an inviting space for your desires to manifest. You might be wondering how to keep faith in your desires when they seem so far away. The answer lies in your belief system. Your beliefs create your reality, and the more you can align your beliefs with the truth that your manifestation is near, the faster it will come to you. It's essential to practice affirmations that resonate with you, reinforcing your faith in your ability to create your desired reality. Affirmations serve as powerful reminders of your worthiness and capability to manifest your dreams. Note, your current circumstances do not define your future. Every moment presents an opportunity for you to shift your mindset and align yourself with your desires. Focus on visualizing your dreams as if they have already come to pass. This practice not only helps solidify your belief but also creates a vibrational match for your desires in the universe. When you embody the feelings associated with your desires, you draw them closer to you. Another essential element of manifesting is letting go. It may seem counterintuitive, but the more you cling to your desires, the more resistance you create. Trusting the timing of the universe means allowing things to unfold naturally. When you let go of the need to control the process, you open yourself to receive in unexpected ways. This doesn't mean you stop working toward your goals, rather, it's about releasing the anxiety surrounding the outcome. Take a moment to reflect on the times in your life when you felt the most at peace. Those moments often came when you trusted in the process and allowed things to flow. Think of this feeling of ease, and remind yourself that everything is happening for your highest good. Even if things don't seem to be going according to plan, trust that there is a greater force at work, guiding you toward your destiny. As you continue on this journey, it's essential to surround yourself with positivity. Your environment influences your mindset and emotions, so seek out supportive people, uplifting content, and experiences that resonate with your aspirations. When you immerse yourself in positivity, you cultivate an atmosphere that encourages growth and manifestation. This alignment fosters an environment where divine timing can work its magic, bringing you closer to your dreams. It's also important to remain patient and compassionate with yourself. The path of manifestation is not always linear, it's filled with twists and turns that may challenge your faith. In those moments, remind yourself that every experience contributes to your growth. Think of the lessons and trust that they are leading you toward your desires. Note, your journey is uniquely yours, and the universe honors your path in its own perfect timing. You may encounter moments of doubt along the way. When those doubts creep in, acknowledge them without judgment. It's natural to question your journey, but don't allow those doubts to derail your progress. Instead, use them as opportunities to reaffirm your commitment to your desires. Revisit your affirmations, meditate on your vision, and visualize your dreams manifesting. As you deepen your understanding of divine timing, keep in mind that your manifestation may come in ways you least expect. Sometimes, what we think we want is only a stepping stone towards something even greater. Be open to the possibility that your dreams may evolve as you grow. Trust that the universe knows your heart and is working tirelessly on your behalf. Celebrate the small victories along the way. Each step forward, no matter how small, is a testament to your growth and progress. Acknowledge your efforts, and reward yourself for the hard work you've put in. This practice reinforces your belief in the manifestation process and reminds you that you are worthy of your desires. Ultimately, the key to understanding divine timing is to cultivate a mindset of trust, patience, and openness. As you align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with the truth that your manifestation is near, you will begin to notice the shifts in your reality. Note that you are co-creating with the universe, and together, you are crafting a beautiful life filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment. In conclusion, divine timing is a powerful force in the manifestation process. Your dreams are on their way, and the universe is orchestrating the perfect conditions for them to manifest. Trust the journey, cultivate gratitude, and remain open to the signs of synchronicity along the way. Your desires are closer than you think, and as you continue to align with the energy of your dreams, you will find that the universe supports you in ways you may have never imagined. So, the next time you feel impatience creeping in, take a deep breath and remind yourself that everything is unfolding perfectly. Your manifestation is near, and you are worthy of all the abundance that awaits you. Think of the journey, stay connected to your vision, and trust in the divine timing of your life. The universe is on your side, guiding you toward the fulfillment of your dreams. Thank you for sharing this moment with me, and may your path be filled with light, love, and abundant blessings. As we wrap up this discussion, I invite you to reflect on your own journey. The universe is abundant, and it is always conspiring in your favor. Trust that your manifestations are near, and allow the process to unfold naturally. If you found value in this discussion, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us continue sharing insights that inspire and uplift others. Share this video with friends who might benefit from these teachings. The more we spread awareness, the the more we cultivate a positive ripple effect in the world. Your voice matters, and by subscribing, you become part of a movement toward empowerment and enlightenment. Join us on this journey by clicking the subscribe button below. Thank you for being here today. Your time is appreciated, and I look forward to continuing this exploration of manifestation together. May you find joy in the unfolding of your desires, trusting that divine timing is at play.